In this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable the translation bar in Google Chrome on Windows 11, step by step. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you visit websites in different languages and want Chrome to offer instant translation, or if you want to turn that feature off and stop the translation prompt from appearing. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick Windows 11 and Chrome tips. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu. Once Chrome is open, the translation bar may appear automatically when you land on a web page that's written in another language. That's the feature we're going to control today. Now, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can access all of the browser's settings and options. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page, where you can change language and translation preferences. On the left side of the settings page, click Languages. This is the section that controls how Chrome handles different languages, including translation options, spell check settings, and language preferences. If you don't see it right away, just look through the left sidebar until you find it. To enable the translation bar, look for the option labeled Use Google Translate. Turn this toggle on. Once it's enabled, Chrome will automatically show the translation bar whenever it detects a web page in a foreign language. That means if you open a page in Spanish, French, German, or another supported language, Chrome can offer to translate it for you right away. If you want to disable the translation bar, go back to the same setting and turn Use Google Translate off. When this is disabled, Chrome will stop showing the translation pop-up automatically on foreign language websites. This is useful if you find the translation bar distracting or if you prefer to read pages in their original language without Chrome asking every time. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable and disable the translation bar in Google Chrome on Windows 11. It only takes a few clicks, but now you have full control over whether Chrome offers translation prompts or stays out of the way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.